Hi guys, it's Rosetta here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. I have created a glam look using a combination of pink and green eyeshadow and adding some glitter to get that spark. A quick reminder before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do so and press the bell icon to get updates of all my latest videos. And now, let's begin with the video. Today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Primer and applying it on the areas where I have pores and the areas which tends to crease faster. So starting from the center of my face, I'm dragging the product outwards. Next, I will move on to the concealer, and today I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and applying it on the dark spots and pigmented areas. And then blending it with the damp beauty sponge. Today I'm using a concealer, not a corrector, so when you're using a concealer instead of a corrector, go with a concealer which is exactly the same tone as your skin. Next step is to apply foundation, and today I'm using the Matte Plus Poreless foundation from Maybelline and I'm in the shade 330 Toffee. I'm using a damp sponge to apply the foundation. I will provide the details of all the products I'm using in the description box below. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Concealer to highlight the high points of my face and also to hide the dark circles around my eyes. So I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin and above the jawline, and then blending it with the damp beauty sponge. Now to add some dimension to my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is a very dark shade, so I'm applying just tiny bits of it and then blending it with the damp beauty sponge. I'm also going to apply this on the jawline. For the sides of the nose, I'm rubbing the product between my fingers and then applying it and then blending it with my fingers. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Powder and applying it on the areas where I have applied the concealer. I'm just dusting the powder little on these areas, not too much, otherwise it might tend to look cakey. Now let's move on to the fun part, and that is the eye makeup. For this, I'm starting with my eyebrows. As usual, I'm filling the sparse areas at the top part of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to brush it upwards and then fill the sparse areas at the bottom of my eyebrows. And once you're done, just brush it to blend everything perfectly. Now I'm using a concealer, the same Maybelline concealer, on my eyelids and blending it with the same damp sponge, and then dust a little powder. And today I'm using the Color Board eyeshadow palette, and this is a beautiful palette. It has 4 sections with different shades in each section. They have matte, they have shimmer shades and also glitter eyeshadows. Picking up the pink color shade, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. And for this, I'm using a big fluffy brush. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm picking up this flat brush and wetting it with the setting spray. I'm using the Incolor Luster Dust Glitter and I'm dipping my brush to pick up the glitter and applying it on my eyelid. With the help of dabbing motion, I'm placing the glitter all over my eyelid. Dusting the excess powder which I have applied to avoid any fallouts. And then using this pencil brush, I'm using the green color eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line. This is a wonderful brush to get the precise work done, and it gives you more control. Next, I'm moving on to the eyeliner, and today I'm using the NY Bay eyeliner. I'm drawing a wing and then I'm drawing a line just close to the lash line and then connecting this to the wing. I'm also extending the inner corner to get that foxy eye look. Next, I'm highlighting the brow bones and inner corner of the eyes and applying Maybelline Kajal, also some mascara, today I'm using the Kryolan blush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, we will move on to the highlighter, and today I'm using the Incolor highlighter and highlighting the high points of my face. And to finish up, I'm using a liquid lipstick today. And for lipstick today, I'm using a liquid lipstick from Nykaa. And here is the completed look, guys. Let me know how you liked it. Do mention your thoughts in the comment section below and give me a big thumbs up if you really liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, if you have not yet. I love you all so much and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Take care of yourselves and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.